Hello everyone. Today we're taking a look at the GH82-05831, a motherboard for the Samsung Galaxy Tab 210.1-inch GT P7510. This particular unit is a system pull, meaning it was taken from a working device. The seller guarantees it for 90 days, which is always reassuring when dealing with used components. It's a genuine Samsung part, which is crucial for compatibility and performance. This motherboard is specifically designed for the 16GB version of the Galaxy Tab 210.1 GT P7510. It's incredibly important to verify the part number, GH82-05831A, before purchasing to ensure it's the correct replacement for your tablet. Motherboards are not universally interchangeable, and using the wrong one can lead to serious issues. The Samsung Galaxy Tab 210.1-inch motherboard features a Samsung-compatible processor. It supports a maximum RAM memory size of 16GB, aligning with the device's original specifications. For audio output, it includes an optical SPDIF connector type. The system bus standard supported is SATA 3, which is pretty standard. When replacing a motherboard, it's essential to handle it with care. Static electricity can damage sensitive components, so make sure to ground yourself properly before touching the board. If you're not comfortable with electronics repair, it's always best to seek professional assistance. Overall, if you need to replace the motherboard in your Samsung Galaxy Tab 210.1-inch GT P7510 16GB, the GH82-05831A appears to be a solid option, especially given that it's a genuine part and comes with a 90-day guarantee. Just double-check that part number to avoid any headaches.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.